Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and Android Software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for our coming week. So in this week, there was a kind of the sidewaysness we are witnessing, but in the latter part of the week, we have seen the breakout coming up on the high side. So as a result of that, on a week-on-week basis, index has improved nearby 1.7 percentage. So looking at in a broader spectrum, so how the other indexes has moved. So let's say in this week, the major performance that we have seen that has come from the Nifty IT stocks, which was up by near about by 4 percentage. Nifty services, however, Nifty services is like a thematic index. It is a combination of the IT, banking, and the various other service providing companies. So it is a mixture of that. But Nifty has performed quite well, 1.72, and then afterwards the financial Nifty and Nifty Energy has did quite well. On the strategic index perspective, if we see Nifty very strong and good performance, but whereas the mid cap and small caps they have been deteriorated. However, in a mid part of the week, we have seen the strong rebound from that as well, but they have ended on the negative note. So going forward, index has given the positive breakout. It has claimed the all-time high level. So of course, remains view remains in a positive as far as prices is not breaching its an immediate support level. So in a recent patch, market has taken a support at a 16,200 level on a couple of occasions. So this has become a kind of the immediate base for the market. Unless and until prices are sustaining above this level, it can be considered as in a positive territory. Now, as we're at an all-time high level, and just to understand that what can be my next best immediate hurdle or some sorts of the reference point. So for that purpose, we need to use the Fibonacci extensions, and in the extensions, we need to pick up a certain kind of the very strong move that has happened earlier, and based on that, we will try to see what can be the next best reactions is there. So this can be the one where the declining momentum has happened, very strong upsurge momentum has followed, and thereafter it has again stepped into the declining momentum. So these are the 3 points that we are considering. So here we can say that means some time ago, uh, 15,000 near about 16,000 level, it was acting as a strong resistance level. So this is the 100% extension of it. Now this 100% extension has taken out, and as a next best resistance level, we are at 138.2, and from a value perspective, it shows at a 16,680 level around. So we are at now 16,530 level. So there can be some scope of further improvement, and from a very short term perspective, the upside potential can be up to 16,670 to 80 level. So this is a positive move we can say. As far as the small cap stocks are concerned, so last week during the week we were looking at some graph and certain kind of characteristics of the small cap. So in this characteristic small cap, we have seen that means index has improved by the 230 percentage from the March 2020 onwards, and within that several correction has come, but each and every correction was around 10 percentage, and we have seen some sorts of recovery coming out from that as well. So recent correction was also near to the 9 percentage we can say, and it has started to pick up its momentum. So right now it is also at an immediate support level. So in the coming time we need to see the developments for the small cap. But yes, large cap has taken its momentum. They are outpacing the small cap and mid caps for a couple of weeks, and they are likely to do so well. In the coming week, IT stocks and banking stocks, which is under the consolidation patch, and now it is giving the breakout on the high side, so they are likely to remain in a limelight. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.